Hey guys, it's Michael with Michael's semi-daily updates, and I just want to jump on here. I haven't made a video in a couple weeks. I don't even know. I think the last video I made was microcloud hologram, but we've got a lot of personal stuff going on in the family. Not the greatest time in the world, but I do want to say this. I want to get on here. Microcloud hologram. Let's talk about that real quick. We need to stop trying to, when we get excited when it goes up, we need to quit getting on there. I feel, my opinion, that, we get on there and we excite investors and they get in there and then the thing ends up dropping before the end of the day and then people get just so disgusted with it. This thing is going to hit when it hits. That's just pretty much it. I'm hoping December, I think more closer to February. And guys, there is a chance this thing could never hit, just being 100% honest. I'm not a guy with a lot of money. I got a decent amount of money in the stock market, but I'm telling you what I've been doing here recently, guys, and if you have a little bit of money, and I'm talking, $2,000-$3,000, okay? Once you get over $2,000, if you're in Robinhood, which I'm still not out of, I should be out of, but, they give you margin once you have $2,000 in your current account. Well, you can use that margin. You want to be careful because after the first $1,000 is interest free. After that, I think it's 5% or 4.6. You have to have the gold membership, but you get margin. And then what you can do with that margin is so Nvidia and Palantir, they're going to be going up in these next 3 months, guys. No financial advice, but with Trump and then, the coming in and then the whole economy is going to get better. The stock market is going to, it's almost, I won't say a no-lose situation because, my God, I've had a few of those I thought before that didn't work out. But, look at calls like, maybe even weekly calls. I think, my opinion, of Nvidia is going to, the resistance right now is 150. Once it gets over 150, it's going to shoot up, guys. It's a great opportunity in Nvidia. And it's another thing with Palantir. Palantir was up $62 or something yesterday. It's dropped back down. So I think last I looked, it was $58, $59. My personal opinion, people say it's not, but I think that's a great buy point. If you can get it under $60, because, and another thing, guys, the calls for $60 calls for June of 2025, they cost you $245. I mean, so you could either buy those if it's just, there's a lot of different strategies to make money. So, Donald Trump, we made a lot of money. Hopefully you guys took profits. It's fallen back down. I'm not sure it's exactly over. I think it might have one more run, but it's a risky stock. So just be careful. Nvidia and Palantir, those are solid companies. Nvidia, they did the 10-to-1 split. So, there's, it used to be a $2,000 stock before the 10-to-1 split. Nvidia or Palantir is still a fairly new company. Came out, I believe, 2019, 2020, IPO'd at least. And, it's still, guys, a $60, it was $40 stock a month ago. It's $60 now. I'm sure there's going to be some kind of pullback, but in the next year, a call, if you buy a long call option and you buy the right one, you got to check the theta and the beta and all that good stuff, but, and then kind of look and simulate your return, see what you would get. Guys, I've made so much money. So this past week, I made, when I say a lot of money, I don't have a lot of money. So this isn't a lot of money to a lot of people, but I made $5,000 in just on options on Palantir. And then, I mean, they're still going. I haven't cashed them out. I should, but sometimes I think I cash them out and then, but it's just opportunities right now. The market is going to be good. You know what I mean? We got a new president coming in. And I think it's just a good time if you have some money to get it in the market. It's not going to be like these last few years, I don't think, where it's up and down, up and down, up and down. I think we're going to see a continuous climb. I think through January. I think once January hits, we're going to see an even bigger climb. I think by the time it's 2026, this market is going to be, if we invest now in the right stocks, by 2026, guys, we could have a lot of money in there. So just my personal opinion, and I'm talking mostly to just average investors. I'm an average investor. I'm by no means a professional investor, but I do a lot of studying. I study stocks. I know where they, I don't have a very fancy YouTube channel, so I can't pull up the trading charts. I want to, I just don't know how to, to be honest with you. But I wish I could, because I could show you where my buy lines, points and stuff like that are. But guys, there's an opportunity to make some money, and we haven't, it's been a rough few years in the market. Last 3-4 years has just not been fun, but I think it's about to get fun. So that's my personal opinion. I'm up to 379 subscribers. If you'd like and subscribe to the channel, I know I should probably say that at the beginning of the video, but it sure would mean a lot to me. It helps me, helps get these stocks out there. Also, today is November, what is today? November 12th. So it's 4:15. So the market is closed, but I made another, there's 800 bucks on calls, but there wasn't a lot of price movement, but it's something to think about, guys. But if you have any questions, comments, talk about Nvidia, microcloud hologram, if you're in it, you know, I don't blame you. We all have a dream. Just don't give up on the dream. You know, if just dollar cost average, if you believe in it, and hope one day it takes off. But, you know, if it goes up 3% in the, you know, pre-market, and then all these people are saying, here it is, here it is, here it is, don't jump in there and put $20,000 into it, guys, because it could fall 10%, you know, 10 minutes later. So just be very, very careful with that. And same with Donald Trump stock. I think there's some money to be made in that as well still, especially running up through January till he takes office, maybe after he takes office, but you want to be very careful with that stock as well. But guys, I really appreciate you guys. I do not have a very fancy YouTube channel. You guys have tuned in to me. Hopefully, I've helped make you some money. I know we've had some big hits on, you know, Applied and DJT and Snapchat and things like that. So, you know, it's just going to get better. But I do want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for just all the support. We're going through some tough stuff with my family right now. It's just heartbreaking. So sometimes just making these videos and just talking to people that are out there talking about stocks helps get my mind off stuff. So God bless all you guys. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you for all the support, because I know this is not a fancy channel. But if, you know, you can just kind of stick around with me, guys, I think we can make some money. And that's my goal. I don't want just me to make money. I want us all to make money. I mean, make some money. And, you know, and send your ideas out there, because I'm no genius. That's for sure. You know, I'm okay, but there's people out there that smoke me. You know what I mean? So if you think you have any good ideas, try it. We could see how it works, make some videos about it. I don't know how to make this any video, you know. And then if anybody, you know, lives in the South Carolina area and knows how to edit videos, you know, that would sure help too. But, you know, because I don't know how to edit. I'm, you know, 45, and, oh my God, there's 70-year-olds that are way more tech than I am, but I do know how to read those charts. So I'll talk to you later, guys. Good luck to you. I hope you guys had a great day in the market, and let's keep it going. Take care.